Hello, so we are at Project 3 and we are looking at the reviewing and editing process of the SLO reflection. So across media and context, there were different software that were used to create Project 3. So aside from embedding into Google site was YouTube links, and also making sure that titles were created for the YouTube videos. Screencast-O-Matic was also utilized here within the reflection of Project 3. So being familiar with uploading to YouTube was required. After using Screencast-O-Matic for this class, it was difficult to save the last few videos within Screencast-O-Matic program because it was asking for an upgrade to access content within the saved videos of the library. So aside from that, aside from the titles, including text information with the videos was also important. Also wanting it to be concise as well. I felt that the text information started to be redundant, as well as the videos that were created, and then restating what information was in Project 1 and how it differed in Project 3, and vice versa. It started to blend together, and we needed to differentiate that. So that was also part of the reviewing process. iMovie was included in the making of the initial video. That was, which is this one. This is the revision video of Project 1. So in Project 1 I used iMovie, and since the video file was saved in iMovie, I utilized iMovie again to continue with the revision process. So the timing and the constant editing and wanting the text boxes to come in at certain time frame within the video was a little bit challenging, and then extending the duration of the textual description box was also a bit challenging, but at the end it was very rewarding. And then revising this one, I didn't want this to feel redundant compared to Project 1. I also kept in mind that perhaps some of the readers that read Project 1 would have a better understanding of what occupational therapy is. So with that in mind, I went ahead and included some information from Project 1, but also wanted it to be more concise and to further provide clinical objectives within this Project 3.